In this class, you will learn how to knit Loopy Mango's Easy Vest. If you're a beginner knitter who knows how to knit and purl and want to take your skill to a new level, this project is for you. This project is done in 2 panels, which are knitted flat. Panels are then seamed together at sides and shoulders, and neckline is added by picking up stitches and knitting in the round. This cute vest is made with chunky yarn, either Merino No. 5 or Big Cotton, or any other yarn of your choice that meets the gauge. Merino No. 5 is a super chunky 100% super fine merino wool yarn. Big Cotton is a super chunky 100% cotton yarn. They are both very soft and knit up quick. It is a fast and easy project and a lot of fun to make.